there's no better day. It's time to get away. I wanna see it all.
We're out of the subway. We are now on the streets of Kyoto, heading to our new hotel. It's a guest house, which is different than a normal hotel or Airbnb. I honestly don't know much about it. We'll check it out and see what's up. Hey guys, we're staying in a guest house in Kyoto, and we thought we would take a minute to just show you around the room because it's quite a bit different than any other place we've stayed in Japan so far. And as you can see, you leave your shoes here. So there's a little take off your shoes sign. So there is a microwave, freezer. These things are really good. We thought they were grapes, but they're not, they're candy. And fridge. And I think this is pretty like normal for like the size of freezer, fridge, and microwave. This is the stovetop, which is kind of interesting. So you just have the two burners. And it gets hot like instantly. It's like, yeah, Megan boiled water in 30 seconds. Yeah, so this is the washer machine. There's no dryer, so you actually end up having to hang your stuff in the washroom itself on this little rung thing. When you shower, you actually just shower right here. So that's for having baths, and this is for the shower, and you just take that nozzle there and you hang it there and you shower right here.
This is to dry your clothes after you wash it.
Oh.
You hang it here.
Gotcha.
And it blows air on it. But that, I don't know what it's for.
Gotcha. Okay, so two mysteries solved. So the fan up there is to dry the clothes, and then here's the remote for it. So this is the bathroom. So as you can see, the bathroom is really small. It's probably only about 2.5 feet wide. So just enough space to get in, turn around, and do your business. So you have a few different features here depending on how you want to clean yourself when you're done. Or if you prefer, you can just use the toilet paper there as well. And then the bed, what size of bed is this, would you say? It's a double bed. I will point out that the mattresses are not like mattresses in North America. They're super hard. And the pillows are... I think it's like memory foam. The pillows are really, yeah, it's like a hard, stiff memory foam. And they're pretty thin. So that takes some getting used to.
It was comfy. I slept here a bit.
It was comfy. So that is the tour of our guest house.
This is the good life.
So we just finished checking into our guest house.
And it's a full apartment and it has a washer and dryer.
We're gonna go eat. We are hungry. Even though we had McDonald's earlier, it's like that doesn't hit the spot.
No, it does not. Make sure you keep the key safe.
Okay.
We're only like 5 minutes from the main road, but we're going to a market right now, so we need to actually look up what the market is.
Yeah, we're gonna go find a market, and then within this market, there is a vegetarian option for us. We're at Nishiki Market, and we're looking for a vegetarian restaurant. And there's a lot of people here. It smells really good. I'm super excited. Let's do it.
So we went into the market and tried to find the restaurant I wanted, but it closes at 2:30 and we got there at like 2:20. So we think it had the shutter down, but it was hard to tell because nothing is in English. So we were guessing, but we're gonna try for dinner. It's very busy there. So instead we just found this cute little restaurant really close to the market, and we're gonna have a beer and a couple snacks.
Cheers to making it to Kyoto. Kanpai.
Kanpai.
Ever since we got off the bullet train, I kind of feel like I'm on like the cruise ship, like rocking back and forth as I walk down the streets. It's so weird.
Mascarpone, honey, and red peppercorn. So good. It's yummy. Butter and walnut cream sauce, and the cream sauce you can actually taste like the walnut flavor. It's really good. Try it. Okay. The nice thing about Kyoto so far is it seems like almost everything is in walking distance, only a couple kilometers apart. Looks like it could also be a good place to rent bikes.
It's definitely a good place to rent bikes.
I love how you can just be walking down the city and then there's all of a sudden a spot with all these cherry blossoms. I also love how much the local people love it as well.
So many Europeans in Japan, it's insane.
In this area.
Yeah.
Everywhere else we were like the only English people, and here everybody. This is like tourist central.